Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to read and understand Amazon product specifications. If you want to know exactly what you're buying and avoid choosing the wrong product, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon and choose any product you're interested in. Instead of only looking at the product title and pictures, scroll down the page until you find the product details or technical details section. Here, you can find useful information such as the product dimensions, weight, materials, model number, and other specifications. Next, check the ships from and sold by information, which is usually shown near the purchase options. This tells you who is handling the shipping and which seller is offering the product. If the item is sold by a third-party seller, you can click the seller's name to view their available information and ratings. You should also take some time to read the customer reviews and questions and answers sections. Reviews can give you an idea of how the product performs in real-world use. You can also search for specific information, such as size, battery life, compatibility, or quality, to find answers that may be useful before buying. Finally, compare the specifications with what you actually need. Pay attention to measurements, compatibility, included accessories, and other important details rather than relying only on the product photos. And that's it. Now you know how to check and understand Amazon product specifications before making a purchase. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon tutorials. Thanks for watching.